Are you tired of clumpy smoothies and uneven blends? Get ready to revolutionize your blending game with the Ninja Twisti High-Speed Blender Duo. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the innovative features that make this blender a true game changer in the world of culinary appliances. If you're interested in learning more about the Ninja SS151 Twisti Blender Duo, please click on the link in the description below. Unleash your inner chef with the Ninja Twisti. Creating silky smooth purees and finely blended concoctions has never been easier. This blender is not just a kitchen appliance, it's a culinary masterpiece. Packed with a powerful motor and hybrid edge high-speed blades, it ensures that your ingredients are perfectly broken down, resulting in unparalleled smoothness. Introducing the Twist Tamper. Say hello to the built-in Twist Tamper, your secret weapon for achieving spoonable, ultra-thick textures. No more struggling to get that perfect consistency. The Twist Tamper effortlessly pushes ingredients towards the high-speed blades, ensuring your smoothie bowls and nut butters turn out exactly as you desire. Precision at your fingertips. Let the Ninja Twisti take the guesswork out of blending. With 5 preset auto-wick programs, you can effortlessly create your favorite recipes with just a touch of a button. Whether you're craving a refreshing smoothie, a frozen drink, a creamy spread, or a hearty bowl, this blender has you covered. No more measuring, no more experimenting, just perfect results every time. Blend on the go. The Ninja Twisti doesn't just blend, it elevates convenience. The 18 Oz to-go cup lets you blend directly in the cup, ensuring better ingredient breakdown and minimal cleanup. No more transferring between containers, simply blend, twist, and enjoy. And with the included 10 delicious recipes, your culinary creativity will know no bounds. SmartOrc technology. Say goodbye to the struggle of blending heavy loads. The SmartOrc technology is designed to power through even the toughest ingredients with ease. Whether it's fibrous greens or frozen fruits, this blender handles it all, delivering consistently smooth results. Elegance meets practicality, featuring a compact and versatile 34 Oz. Picture, the Ninja Twisti combines elegance with functionality. The removable drizzle cap allows you to customize flavors and textures, giving you complete control over your culinary creations. Plus, the nutrient extraction cup ensures that your ingredients are expertly broken down, providing maximum nutrition and flavor. Effortless cleanup. No one enjoys spending hours on cleanup after a satisfying meal. With the Ninja Twisti, cleanup is a breeze. The dishwasher-safe cups, blades, and lids ensure that your post-blending routine is as simple as it gets, leaving you with more time to savor your creations. Elevate your culinary experience today. Are you ready to elevate your cooking game? The Ninja Twisti High-Speed Blender Duo is your passport to culinary excellence. Say goodbye to lumpy blends and uneven textures. Embrace the power of precise blending, innovative technology, and ultimate convenience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, this blender is the key to unlocking your culinary potential. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.